Good day, sir. We're presenting our case study. The title is Creating a Student Registration Using a Relational Model Context. I am Rainiel Pronton and my partner is Jubel Opeñano. Let's start. Abstract. This case study explores the design of a student registration system using a relational model. To improve the enrollment process, it addresses challenges like managing student, course details, and enrollments. The system ensures data integrity, reduces redundancy, and allows for real-time data access. By implementing this approach, educational institutions can enhance operational efficiency, simplify administrative tasks, and provide a smooth registration experience for both students and staff. The use of relational model leads to more accurate records and improved overall system performance. Dito is mag-explore tayo ng isang student registration. Itong system na ito, gamit yung relational database model is mapapa-improve yung ating pag-enrollment process dahil mas mapapadali ito sa gamit lamang yung mga technology. Then may iwasan natin yung pagkakamali ng mga estudyante dahil sa ngayon is maraming nauusong sakit dito lalo na kung mas hassle at sa eskwela is mas maraming tao. Then dito mas mabilis ma-manage ng ating mga administrator yung details ng mga student. May iwasan nitong mga doble. Then may ensure neto yung data integrity ng isang student. Then may implement natin ito sa mga school na nahihirapan din sa ating pag-enrollment. Then mapoprovide nito yung pagre-register natin ng tama. Ang kailangan lang natin i-improve dito yung ating system para mas mapaganda yung performance nito at para mas maganda yung result na makukuha natin. Introduction. Managing student registration is important for schools and colleges. Old methods like paper records or spreadsheets are slow and can cause mistakes. A relational database system helps by organizing student, course, and enrollment information in a better way. This makes it easier to keep track of records, reduces errors, and saves time. In this project, we aim to replace old methods with a faster and more reliable system to improve the registration process. Dito is minamanage ng ating system yung student information. Then, importante ito para sa mga schools and college. Kasi dati is ginagamitan lang natin ito ng papel at mabagal yung kanyang process. Then, nagkakaroon pa tayo ng error or mistakes. Dito sa system na ito is more organized ng ating mga staff yung mga information ng isang student. Then, mas mapapadali ito sa mga pag-i-input ng ating oras sa pag-i-input ng ating mga information. Then itong project nito is mapapalitan niya yung ating nakaraan na mabagal yung process. Then may improve nito yung mga staff natin upang mas mapadali yung kanilang mga trabaho at ma-improve yung ating skills. Problem statement. Current data registration methods have problems like handling too much data, repeating information, and making mistakes in records. These issues make the registration process slow and unreliable, causing delays and frustration for both students and staff. A better system is needed to make the process faster, more accurate, and easier to manage. Sa ngayon, ang ating process ng pag-enroll is ginagamitan lang natin siya ng mga papel. doon is nagkakaroon tayo ng mga error, kagaya na lamang ng pagdodoble ng mga information ng isang estudyante at yung mali na ini-input nila dun sa papel. Dito sa system nito is mareresolbahan yung problemang iyon. Then dito sa system nito, dahil hindi niya i-accept yung pag-i-input mo ng data kung meron mali dito. Then dito is kaya niyang i-handle yung malaking data ng isang estudyante. Objectives: use a relational database to organize data and reduce errors and duplication. Ensure inaccurate and consistent data management to make the registration process smoother. Then, simplify administrative tasks like managing student course and enrollment information. Create a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly student registration system. Dito sa ating system is gagamitan lang natin siya ng isang relational database para ma-organize nito ang isang malaking data ng mga estudyante at mabawasan yung mga errors at yung pagdodoble-doble ng ating mga information. Then, may ensure nito at consistent ang ating system na mag-manage ng isang information or mga data. Kaya nitong gawing mas smooth ang process. Then, isi-simplify lang ng administrative, kagaya na lamang ng pagmamanage ng isang estudyante at yung mga information nito sa ating enrollment. Then, create reliable, efficient. Then, mas efficient ito para sa mga student dahil mas madali lang itong gamitin. Hindi kagaya ng sa papel lamang. Mas okay ito dahil kahit sa bahay ka lamang, makakapag-enroll ka. Background information, context. As schools and college grow, managing student course registrations and enrollments becomes more complex. A student registration system using a relational model provides an efficient solution, organizing data, reducing errors, and simplifying the registration process. Literature review. Studies show that relational database provides an efficient way to manage complex student registration system by organizing data into structured tables. El Masri and Novat 2015, the relational model ensures better data integrity and consistency, reducing the risk of errors and duplication. This approach allows for faster data retrieval and scalable solutions, making it an excellent choice for educational institutions that need to handle increased amounts of data over time. Silberschatz and Kort Suldarshan in 2010. Sa ngayon is mas napapalaki na yung ating mga schools and colleges dahil ngayon is mas dumarami ng mga student, then mas malaki na yung ating hinahandle na data. Dahil dito is mas kailangan natin i-improve yung ating system day by day, then mas complex ito. Ang ating system is magpo-provide siya ng mas efficient na solution sa pag-organize ng ating malaking data. Para rin mabawasan ang ating mga errors and mas magbigay ito ng mas magandang feedback para sa atin.
Proposed solution. System overview. The proposed student registration system use a relational database model focusing on key entities like student, course, and enrollment. These interconnected entities form a structured framework to efficiently manage student data, course information, and registration process. By organizing the data in this way, The system ensures data integrity, reduce redundancy, and improve the overall efficiency of the registration process, providing a reliable and scalable solution for academic management in college. Ang proposed solution ng student registration system using relational database model. Dito is nagpo-focus sa entities natin like student, course, and enrollment. Then dito sa nagawa naming ER model, makikita natin dito yung interconnectedness nila para mas mapabilis ang pag-manage ng mga data ng estudyante. By organizing the data, mas in-ensure ng data integrity para maiwasan ang pag-uulit-ulit and yung mga error para maiwasan natin dito yung repeated nga. Then, para ma-improve natin to, kailangan lang natin mag-provide ng reliable and scalable solution para sa academic management para din sa malalaking functionality. The registration system automates the process of student enrollment, course management, and instructor assignments, making it easier for everyone involved. It keeps track of course availability in real time and ensures students meet prerequisites before enrolling. The system prevents overall enrollment by stopping students from signing up for full classes. It also protects data integrity, resolves scheduling conflicts, and provides secure access for different roles like student and staff. With built-in reporting tools, the system helps administrator track trends and make better decisions. Ang functionality ng registration system natin is kung paano nagpa-process ang ating system sa bawat enrollment. At mas mapapadali ang process ng bawat estudyante na nag-e-enroll sa isang school at ma-access natin ito kahit anong oras natin gustong i-fill up. Then, pinoprotect nito ang ating data at nare-resolve ang mga problems gamit ang system na ito. Mas flexible ang details kung paano ma-read ng ating system. And it helps us including na ang buong empleyado ng school upang mas maging better ang future ng system registration enrollment. Implementation process. Identify entities and relationship. Define the database schema. Ensure the data integrity, process flow in the system, data retrieval or queries. Challenges and solutions. Data redundancy. Resolve using normalization and foreign key constraints. Concurrent registration. Manage with low-level locking and transaction. Prerequisite validation. Automated with SQL joins, triggers, and stored procedures. Course capacity. Control using triggers and constraint. Security. Ensure the role-based access, control, and encryption optimization. Ano nga ba ang challenges at solution natin sa mga problems ng ating system? Data redundancy. Mariresolve ng ating system gamit ang mga tools ng ating system. Concurrent registration. Kaya i-manage ng system row level, locking at ang mga transaction. Sa prerequisite naman, validation automatically andun na yung SQL, triggers at kung paano ma-restore ng data. Course capacity, kaya i-control ang system gamit ang trigger at constraints at mga importante. Ang security, may ensure nito ang pag-access control at encryption. Insight and evaluation. Project completion. The student registration system automates the enrollment process, ensuring data integrity through normalization and constraints, while supporting concurrent registration. It provides real-time course availability, role-based access control for security, and quick report generation for administrators. Objective achievement. The student registration system successfully automates the enrollment process, ensuring accurate and efficient student registration with real-time course availability. Additionally, the system supports concurrent registration and provides quick, accurate reporting, meeting all project objectives and functionality, security, and performance. Future work. Enhancing the schema to support for more complex relationships such as handling course Prerequisite, the creating multi-level relationship between student, course, faculty, and department. Could improve data accuracy, allowing for more detailed queries and analytics. Sa project completion natin, ang system natin ay automates na ang enrollment process at may ensure na ang ating data integrity gamit yung normalization at mapaprovide ng real-time course at availability. Access control para sa security nitong system. Mabilis na mapagre-resolve ang mga problem sa system upang ma-manage ang system day by day. Conclusion. The student registration system using a relational model successfully addresses key challenges in course management and student enrollment by automating process, ensuring data integrity, and optimizing performance. The system enhances efficiency, security, and user experience. With the potential for future enhancement, the system is adaptable to evolving needs, providing scalable and robust solution for academic institution. The conclusion highlights that the student registration effectively addresses problem in course management and student enrollment through automation by ensuring data integrity. Mag-improve pa ang ating performance ng ating system by enhancing security and user experience. Bukod pa rito, ang system ay madaling ma-adapt ng mga future needs, kaya scalable at matibay na solution para sa mga paaralan. Final thoughts. In the relational model for student system, registration data is organized into tables that define student course and their enrollments, ensuring efficient data storage and retrieval. The use of primary keys and foreign keys establishes relationship between different entities, maintaining data integrity. This structure allows for easy querying updates and ensures consistency, providing a scalable solution for managing student registration process. Ang final thoughts namin, una ay mag-manage ang maayos ang system na tumatakbong panahon na need natin i-upgrade at i-check ito everyday. Then kung paano i-organize ang data natin by tables na malalaman natin kung anong mas efficient para sa data storage na system at data retrieval. The primary key is siya yung mag-establish ng relationship sa iba't ibang entities at pag-maintain ng data integrity. Nagpo-provide tayo ng mas mahusay na solution upang ma-maintain natin ang pagkakaroon ng malaking problem process ng system.